In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy VOO on eTrade. VOO is the ticker symbol for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, a popular fund that tracks large U.S. companies. If you're ready to add it to your portfolio, here's how to place a straightforward order from start to finish. First, sign in to your eTrade account using the website or mobile app, just as you normally would. Make sure you're on the official eTrade platform and that your connection is secure. Once you're in, look for the trade section. On the website, you'll typically find it in the top navigation. In the app, it's usually on the main menu or toolbar. Next, use the search bar and type VOO. You should see the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF appear as a result. Click that result to open the VOO quote page. Take a moment here to confirm you're looking at the correct ticker and review the current price, the day's range, and other basic details so you know what you're buying. When you're ready, click Buy. This opens the order ticket. Start by entering the quantity, which is simply how many shares you want. Remember that the total cost will be quantity multiplied by the price per share, plus any fees that may apply, so be sure your buying power covers it. Now choose your order type. Market orders are designed to buy right away at the best available price. They're fast and simple, especially during normal market hours, but the exact fill price can vary if the market is moving quickly. Limit orders let you set a maximum price you're willing to pay. This gives you control and can help you avoid paying more than you intend, though it may take longer to fill or may not fill if the market never reaches your limit price. If you use a limit order, enter the price that makes sense based on the current quote and how urgently you want the order to execute. After you've set the quantity and order type, click Preview. This is your chance to double-check everything: the ticker VOO, the number of shares, the order type, the estimated cost, and any applicable fees. If everything looks good, click Place Order to submit it. That's it. You've just placed a VOO order on eTrade. Keep an eye out for the confirmation, and remember that market conditions can affect execution and price. With these steps, you can confidently add VOO to your portfolio when it fits your plan.